Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix Outlook error update. If Outlook is showing an update error or not working correctly after an update, a repair through Windows can often fix the issue without requiring a full reinstall. In this walkthrough, we'll use the built-in repair option for Microsoft 365. This process is simple, but it helps to move slowly and confirm each selection as you go. To begin, go to your Windows desktop so you can clearly access your system tools. Once you're on the desktop, press the Windows key on your keyboard. This opens the Start menu and allows you to search for programs and settings on your computer. In the search area, type Control Panel. When Control Panel appears in the results, click on it to open it. If your view looks a little different from what you expect, that's normal. Windows can display this screen in different layouts, but the option we need should still be available. Inside Control Panel, look for Uninstall a Program and click it. This will open the list of installed applications on your computer. Give it a moment to load fully, especially if you have many programs installed. Now scroll through the list and find Microsoft 365. In some systems, it may appear with a slightly different Microsoft Office or Microsoft 365 name, but it should still be recognizable as your Office installation. Once you find it, right-click on it to open the available options. From that menu, click Change. Depending on your computer's settings, you may see a user account control prompt asking for permission to allow changes. If that appears, go ahead and approve it so you can continue. After that, you'll be taken to the repair options. Click on Repair. This step is important because it allows Windows and Microsoft 365 to fix damaged or missing program files that may be causing the Outlook update error. During the repair, keep your computer on and avoid interrupting the process. It may take a few minutes, depending on your system speed and the type of repair being run. Once the repair is complete, it's a good idea to reopen Outlook and check whether the update error has been resolved. If the app launches normally and updates correctly, then the repair was successful. That's all you need to do to complete this fix. Following these steps carefully can often restore Outlook without more advanced troubleshooting. Thanks for watching, and we hope this helped you get Outlook working properly again.